This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to begin inside the Google Messages app on your iPhone. First, sign into your Google account and grant notifications and contacts so threads sync properly. Once done, enable messages for web if you plan to use a desktop. That pairs quickly via QR. Make sure iOS and network access are current to avoid sync issues. Now open a new Compose window and prepare to send your first message or switch an existing thread to the Messages app. Next, configure in-app settings. Tap Settings and choose Notifications, Chat Features, and Media to control behavior. You'll enable chat features if RCS is available, so messages send richer media and show read receipts. This improves delivery and clarity. Once configured, pair your phone to Messages for web to continue conversations on a laptop. Make sure media auto-download limits match your data plan so large files don't consume cellular bandwidth. These changes optimize reliability and keep threads synchronized across devices. Finish by testing. Send a photo and a text to confirm delivery and receipt indicators. If a message fails, check whether the recipient supports RCS versus SMS, since that affects how content is transmitted. If syncing or notifications misbehave, force close the app, toggle notification or contact permissions, and, if needed, reinstall to reset settings. One key troubleshooting tip: repair messages for web via QR to refresh sync. This often fixes missing threads or failed cross-device delivery without losing conversations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.